Hi, my name is George, and today we're diving into one of the most asked questions in the Amazon FBA world: Jungle Scout versus Helium 10. Which tool is better? Both of these platforms are packed with features to help Amazon sellers, but they're designed for slightly different needs. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, including their strengths, weaknesses, features, and pricing. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool is the right choice for you. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: some links in the description are affiliate links. This means I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase through them, but this won't cost you anything extra. Now, let's get started. Why you need an Amazon FBA tool. Whether you're just starting out or you've been selling on Amazon for a while, managing an FBA business can be overwhelming. You need to find the right products, analyze the competition, optimize your listings, and even track your profits. Doing all of this manually is not just time consuming, it's also easy to make mistakes. That's where tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 come in. They simplify these processes and give you access to data that helps you make smarter decisions. Both tools are incredibly popular among Amazon sellers, but they offer different features and cater to different types of sellers. Let's break down what each tool does and how they compare. What is Jungle Scout? Jungle Scout has been around since 2015, and it was one of the first tools created specifically for Amazon sellers. It's best known for helping sellers find profitable products to sell on Amazon. With tools like the Opportunity Finder, Product Database, and Keyword Scout, Jungle Scout makes it easier to discover products that have high demand but low competition. It's especially good for beginners because it's straightforward to use. One of Jungle Scout's standout features is its Supplier Database. This tool allows you to find manufacturers for products you're interested in selling. You can even use it to uncover the suppliers your competitors are using. It's a fantastic feature for anyone who wants to cut through the noise and go straight to the source. Jungle Scout also offers tools for tracking sales, analyzing market trends, and managing inventory. While its features are solid, Jungle Scout focuses more on product discovery and research rather than offering a full suite of tools for running an Amazon business. What about Helium 10? Helium 10, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive platform. It offers over 20 tools that cover everything from product research and keyword discovery to listing optimization and advertising management. Helium 10 is especially popular for its keyword research tools like Magnet and Cerebro, which provide an in-depth data to help you optimize your listings and stay ahead of your competitors. One of Helium 10's strengths is its versatility. In addition to research tools, it also includes features for managing refunds, automating PPC campaigns, and tracking your inventory. For example, its Refund Genie tool helps you recover money Amazon owes you due to errors. Another standout feature is Atomic, which uses AI to optimize your Amazon ads automatically. Helium 10 also has a free plan, which lets you try out some of its tools before committing to a subscription. While it has more features than Jungle Scout, it can feel overwhelming for beginners because there's just so much to learn. Product research. How do they compare? Now, when it comes to finding products to sell on Amazon, both Jungle Scout and Helium 10 have tools to help you. Jungle Scout's Opportunity Finder and Product Database allow you to search for products based on criteria like price, sales, and competition. These tools are easy to use and give you a clear picture of what's trending in the market. Helium 10's Black Box tool does something similar but with more advanced filtering options. You can narrow down your search based on specific keywords, sales trends, or even the weight of the product. This makes it easier to find unique opportunities that match your exact needs. Helium 10's data is also more accurate, which can make a big difference when you're trying to validate a product idea. Overall, Helium 10 has the edge in this category. It offers more detailed search options and better data accuracy. However, Jungle Scout's tools are simpler and might be better for beginners. Keyword research. Which one is better? Keyword research is one of the most important parts of running an Amazon FBA business. Your product listings needs to include the right keywords to rank higher in Amazon search results. Both Jungle Scout and Helium 10 offer keyword research tools, but there's a clear winner here. Jungle Scout's Keyword Scout is a good tool for finding relevant keywords and understanding their search volume. It's straightforward and gives you enough data to optimize your listings. However, Helium 10's Magnet and Cerebro tools take keyword research to another level. Magnet helps you discover high-performing keywords, while Cerebro allows you to analyze your competitors' keywords. These tools give you a much deeper understanding of what customers are searching for. For keyword research, Helium 10 is the better choice because it provides more data and advanced features. Listing optimization, the tools you need. Listing optimization is all about making sure your product stands out. Both platforms offer tools to help you improve your listing, but Helium 10 has more to offer. Its Scribbles and Frankenstein tools help you refine your titles, bullet points, and descriptions. It even includes an AI-powered listing optimizer to give you suggestions for improvements. Jungle Scout also offers a listing optimization tool, but it's not as comprehensive as Helium 10's suite. If you're serious about creating top-notch listings, Helium 10 is the way to go. Supplier Database. Jungle Scout takes the lead. One area where Jungle Scout outshines Helium 10 is its Supplier Database. This tool allows you to find manufacturers for almost any product and even shows you who your competitors are working with. It's an incredibly valuable feature for anyone who wants to source products efficiently. Helium 10 doesn't have an equivalent tool, which gives Jungle Scout a clear advantage in this category. Advertising and automation. Helium 10's strength. Helium 10 includes Atomic, an AI-powered tool that helps you manage and optimize your Amazon PPC campaigns. It automates a lot of the work involved in running ads, which can save you time and money. Jungle Scout doesn't have a comparable tool for advertising, so Helium 10 is the clear winner here. Pricing. Which one offers more value? Jungle Scout's pricing is straightforward, with plans starting at $49 per month if billed monthly. Its higher tier plans include more features, but even the basic plan gives you access to the core tools you need. They have the Growth Accelerator plan at $79 per month and the highest paid one called the Brand Owner Plus CI that costs $399 per month. On the other hand, Helium 10 offers a free plan, which is great for testing the platform, and its paid plan starts at $39 per month if billed monthly. Its Platinum plan, their most popular one, costs $99 per month, and the highest one is the Diamond plan at $279 per month. While Helium 10 is slightly more expensive, it offers more value because of its extensive features. Jungle Scout might be a better option if you're on a tight budget or just starting out. Which tool should you choose? If you're a beginner or someone who wants a simple, easy-to-use tool for finding products and getting started on Amazon, Jungle Scout is a great choice. Its user-friendly design and supplier database make it perfect for new sellers. However, if you're more experienced or need a tool that covers everything from product research to advertising, Helium 10 is the better option. It offers more features, better data accuracy, and tools to help you scale your business. Ultimately, both tools are excellent, and the right choice really depends on your goals and experience level. And so, if this video was helpful to you and you would like to give either one of the tools a try, make sure to click the link in the description of this video to help me support my channel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.